Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error 0x000007d1 when printing in Windows 11. And also guys, this method will work in Windows 10. So to resolve this issue, click on Start and type here REGEDIT. Right click on Registry Editor, run as administrator. And guys, best thing, backup your registry editor by exporting to your local PC. And if something went wrong, so you can import your registry editor. Now let's start to resolve this problem. Firstly, expand HK local machine, then expand system. Now here expand current control set. Now expand control. Now here guys, expand print. So expand this print folder. Now here guys, you will see folder post SP upgrade. So right click on it and delete this key. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this key and all of its subkeys? Click on yes. Now close it in this registry editor. Then click on start. Now here type cmd. Right click on command prompt. Run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to type this command line opener. Now type this command line net space stop space spooler SPOOLER. Then press enter. Now you will see the print spooler service was stopped successfully. Now type this second command line net space start spooler. Then press enter. Now close it and restart. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve error 0x000007d1 when printing in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching, and guys, please comment this video work for you or not.